Oga landlord, see, I will pay this money. Just give me small time. I know I'm owing. I will pay. You know I'm not like this. I will definitely pay. Please, sir. Just small time.
I should give you small time. After 3 years, I should still give you more time.
Sir, one more year. I promise.
Oh, 1 more year. So maybe you are planning that you will pay this money to my children to use to bury me. Abi, is that not? Because obviously you don't want to pay this money in my lifetime. If all the tenants in this house, if all of them are owing like you are owing, in fact, hunger will have killed me.
No, hunger will not kill you. I'm sorry, please, I will pay.
My son, if Lagos doesn't suit you, why can't go back to your village now? Is it by force that you must stay in Lagos? Is it by force? But you know I am the area father of all these boys for this area. Now, I have news for you. Already, I have boys who are on standby.
Don't like this.
Listen and listen good. When I go now, when I'm coming back with thugs. They won't be throwing you through the back. They will be throwing you through the balcony. Your nose and that of your wife. I don't know wherever she is.
It hasn't gotten to it.
It has passed that one. It's as simple as that.
Oga landlord, please now. Oga landlord, please. Oga landlord. What's this? What's going on?
Hey!
Baby, you heard Oga landlord now.
Did you just say baby? This is young man. You know when you married me, you know the way my skin was glowing. Look at me now. Just imagine, what kind of life is this? No, tell me, what kind of life are you even living? See the way Oga landlord is shouting. Money for food. You don't see, what are you even useful for? You're just useless. But when you come to hanging my leg, you will hang it because that's everything you can do. Just see your life. Just look at yourself. You can't pay house rent, food, nothing. So what kind of life is that? Come on, let me just unpack myself because before someone comes and scatter my stuff. Nonsense.
Babe, your phone is ringing. Babe!
Why you shout my name? What? What are you in my phone? Give my phone first. What's wrong?
Can I have your phone, please? Just 1 minute.
For what?
Just 1 minute.
Why?
I'll give it back to you.
No, tell me what is it?
Let me just have the phone.
No, you can't have.
Come, what is that? No, explain to me.
Nothing.
So you have this huge amount of money in your account and you don't allow us to be shouting at us?
The money for something important now. Is for something important.
Oh, the money is for something important.
Yes.
So we are not important enough for this money to be used for us. And you know, when I have this money, I bring everything I have to the table to make sure everybody is fine. And you have this huge amount of money in your account, and your sons and daughters are inside the house. They didn't go to school. They are about to chase us out of our house to the street. And you're here having that huge amount of money, and you're telling me it's for something important.
Calm down! You're overreacting! Calm down!
You're overreacting.
Yes.
Now, see that you have money in your account. You're telling me everybody book out. Wait. But wait, see, what I'm doing here is very different. Can you imagine this guy have this huge amount of money and you're here to come? You believe something? My wife has 5 million naira in her account.
Babe!
5 million?
Yes.
Then why are you in this mess? Why can't you people pay?
Okay, now if you ask me, now I go ask her.
But I just told you something.
That is none of our problem. You understand? If you don't want to pay, No. The children are inside. Go and pack the children.
by 2. Yeah, but
I'll pay. Fine, I'll pay. But you give my money back.
She says she will pay now.
I'll pay.
Really heartless.
Please call your account number.
06
Okay.
99
Okay.
58
Okay.
32
Okay.
95.
What bank, please?
Access Bank.
4 years of that landlord.
I've sent it.
You sent it. How much did you send?
The amount we are owing, the 2.5, I've sent it already.
Okay. That's very good. My dear, I think you need to look for work very fast. You understand? You need to look for work very fast, because it's like your wife believes that you should be the beginning and the end to all the problems in this house. You understand? So, and that is generally, that's how women behave. But I think that she's just going too far.
This man wicked woman. No. This man wicked. So she gets coming. Now this man is suffer. He dey suffer.
You give my money back. You give my money back.
No, where they go? Speak down and you marry. No fit support you. No fit help you. You dey suffer. Wife dey suffer. She already suffer. Die with you.
Young man,
go find work.
You need to find work very fast.
Go find work.
You understand?
You call the man back.
You understand? So that you can. Yeah.
Bros, don't even chop chicken for this house. She get money. Gary in the morning, Gary in the afternoon, Gary in the night. Fear woman. How that gender?
Okay.
And you?